To use object eraser on a Samsung S25 FE, first of all, we have to open the gallery on our phone. Now go to the pictures and pick the picture that you want to edit. So this one, for example, and we have to click on it to get these bars at the top and the bottom, and we have to click on this pencil icon, and now click on this AI Galaxy icon. So now, as you can see, we are in this edit mode, and let's try to get rid of this picture in the picture. That was actually taken with a dual video mode. We have to draw around this one. And I was, recording something, and I just take the photo during that, and let's see if we can actually get rid of it. Yeah, it was actually recognized. Let's see if it's gonna replace this part with the desk and my monitor stand in this place. That will be really interesting how it's gonna perform. We can also try to get rid of this. Yo, that works pretty good. Yeah, there's like clear surface. That was my monitor stand. Take a look. It's pretty impressive actually. Now let's try to also get rid of this Rubik's Cube. Let's see if we can do that. We have to click on this AI icon one more time. And let's find out if we can actually take it off. Yeah, it was recognized. Let's click on this button. Let's click generate. It's filling the image, so we have to be patient. Adding the missing places. I got the desk, additional desk on my desk, and it's fulfilled this one. Take a look. Wow, that works great. So we have to click done. We have to click save copy in the right upper corner. And now it's gone. It's finished. Thanks for watching.